Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy M54. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And now you can click open, then swipe up and click OK, and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select this application to allow this app to appear on top, and now you can go back. Then click start, and as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.